Welcome! Today's story is about Anna and her family. She introduces us to her parents, sister, and brother, sharing their personalities, hobbies, and special moments together. My name is Anna, and I want to tell you about my family. I live with my parents, my older sister, and my younger brother. We are a happy family, and we love spending time together. My dad's name is Michael. He is tall and has short brown hair. He wears glasses and always has a kind smile. My dad works as a history teacher at a high school. He loves reading books and telling stories about the past. At home, he likes to cook. His favorite food to make is pasta. On Sundays, he prepares a big family dinner. We all sit together, eat, and talk about our week. My dad is very patient and calm. If I have a problem, he listens and gives me good advice. My mom's name is Laura. She has long blonde hair and green eyes. She works as a nurse and takes care of people. She is always busy but never forgets to spend time with us. She loves gardening. Our backyard is full of flowers because of her. She also likes to bake cookies. The house smells amazing when she makes them. My mom is very loving and always knows how to make us feel better. When I am sick, she takes care of me. When I am sad, she gives me a warm hug. My older sister's name is Emily. She is 17 years old, and she is very smart. She loves math and science. She wants to be an engineer in the future. Emily is also very funny. She tells jokes and makes us laugh all the time. She loves music and plays the guitar. Sometimes she sings, and her voice is beautiful. She helps me with my homework and always supports me. Even though she is older, she is my best friend. My younger brother's name is Jake. He is 10 years old and very active. He loves playing soccer and running around the house. He likes superhero movies and video games. Sometimes, he talks a lot about his favorite characters. Jake is playful and full of energy. Sometimes, he is annoying, but he is also sweet. When I feel sad, he gives me a funny drawing or a small gift to make me happy. We love spending time together. On weekends, we go to the park or watch movies. Sometimes, we play board games, and my dad always wins. During the summer, we go to the beach. My mom and sister like to read under the sun, while my dad, Jake, and I play in the water. We also have small traditions. Every Friday night, we eat pizza together. Every December, we decorate the house for Christmas while listening to holiday songs. I love my family very much. They make me feel happy and safe. No matter what happens, I know they will always be there for me.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.